Welcome to our complete tutorial on Regions Bank Mobile Banking. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to make the most of the app. First, let's start with downloading and installing the Regions Bank Mobile Banking app. Simply head to the App Store or Google Play and search for Regions Bank. Once you've installed the app, open it and create your account. Follow the prompts to set up your Regions Bank account securely. Now, let's take a quick tour of the app's interface. You'll find features like balance checking, transfers, and bill payment clearly labeled. Need to transfer money between Regions accounts? In just a few taps, you can easily move funds with the transfer option. You can also send money to other banks or external accounts by selecting the external transfer option, where you'll enter the recipient's details. Paying your bills has never been easier. Simply go to the Bill Pay section, enter your bills, and make payments in minutes. For added convenience, you can set up recurring payments for your regular bills directly in the app. This saves you time each month. Remember to keep your account secure. Always use strong passwords, avoid public Wi-Fi for transactions, and enable two-factor authentication. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on Regions Bank Mobile Banking. We hope you found it helpful and enjoy banking on the go. For more resources and information, visit the Regions Bank website or contact customer service for assistance.